name's June. For my first song, I'm going to be singing Carol of the Bells. For my second song, I'm going to be singing Santa Baby. Here's Carol of the Bells. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, blow cares away, Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold, ding, ding, dong, that is the song, with joyful ring, all caroling, one seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air, all hooray, raising the song, twirling the tail, raising the tail, songs of good. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, blow cares away, Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold, ding, daddy, dong. That is the song with joyful ring, all caroling, one seem to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Ha ha, raise this is the song, telling the tale. Oh, merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Ding, dong, ding, dong. I'm sorry, some of that part I forgot, but that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. My second song is going to be Santa Baby. Santa Baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Yeah, yeah. Santa Baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. And I don't need on the phone, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa Baby, Santa Baby, forgot to mention one little thing, the ring. And I don't read on the phone, Santa honey, so hurry down the chimney tonight. I'm sorry, I forgot half the song, but that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes sometimes. Thank you for watching me sing Carol of the Bells and Santa Baby. Hello, this is me, Lila. I'm going to sing Christmas Makes Me Sing for my Christmas from my performance at school. Christmas makes me sing, la 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 la. Christmas makes me sing, la 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 la. Christmas makes me sing, sing, sing. Oh, Christmas makes me sing, la 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 la. Christmas makes me clap. Christmas makes me clap. Christmas makes me clap, clap, clap. Oh, Christmas makes me clap. Christmas makes me laugh, ho, 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 ho. Christmas makes me laugh, ho, ho, ho. Christmas makes me laugh, laugh, laugh. Oh, Christmas makes me laugh, ho, 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 ho. Christmas makes me shout, yay, Christmas! Christmas makes me shout, yay, Christmas! Christmas makes me shout, shout, shout. Oh, Christmas makes me shout, yay, Christmas! Christmas makes me shout, shout, shout. Oh, Christmas makes me shout, yay, Christmas! Hi, it's June again. I'm going to be singing this time Hear the Bells Ring and Do Re Mi. The first one is Hear the Bells Ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Listen to them ringing. clinging and a clinging. Happy sounds they're bringing, as we all are singing. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Listen to them ringing, clinging and a clinging. Happy sounds they're bringing, as we all are singing. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring a ling a ling. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ring. Hear the bells ding dong ding.
Nice.
Also, when I was clapping, that meant I was supposed to ring up the bells, but since I didn't have bells, I just used my clapping. My next song is Do Re Mi. Do Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti. Do mi so so re fa la ti. When you know the notes to sing, you can sing most anything. Mrs. Cards, can you make this a little easier? Do a deer, a female deer, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, fly a long way to run. So a needle pulling thread, la a note to follow. So tea, a drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to do, a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself, but a long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread, la, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread, that will bring us back to do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, so, do. One thing that I want to make, how I want to make the world better, is to change how much people litter. It's insane how much garbage is on the earth right now. I want to change that because it's not healthy for the earth. It's not healthy for the animals on the earth. It's not healthy for us too. It's not healthy for plants, and we need the plants. So stop littering. I'm going to read this book. It's a book I've started to write. So I'll only read the ideas that I have. I won't read it too far because I don't know the rest, what I'm going to say. Once upon a time, there was a princess named Princess Peach. She had two best friends. One was Mario, the second was Luigi. One day there was a leak in their faucet. Princess Peach called the Super Mario Brothers. She had seen their commercial on TV, but she was not so confident that they would get the job done. But what do you know? They got the job done. Not only the job, but they treated the princess to ice cream. Do you want to go? Yes, said Princess Peach. But when they got back to the castle, they realized the pipes had burst. Oh no, said Mario and Luigi, but Princess Peach said, let's do this. Then she got started. First, she tightened the pipes. Then they were fine, but the castle was flooded. Then Princess Peach said Bowser was not in his cage. Oh no, said Princess Peach. Then they saw wet footprints leading towards the bathroom. Thank you for listening to my story. Tune back to find out what happens next. Today we will be making penne regatta. Pepperoni, and feta cheese. Noodles. And noodles with them. These are some of my favorite snacks because I love them. And they're also really good. Sometimes pepperoni can be a little spicy for me, but these aren't too spicy. I like feta cheese because it's so great, because I like it really good. It's really good with dinner when I have it at dinner. I like it really good. It's really good. The noodles are busy boiling on the stove. And when they're done, we'll put all of our stuff in.